Euro USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on the daily chart, we have this move, and now the price is within this, is correcting here. Now the question is whether we will have this correction for the next move down, similar and relative to this, or we should expect to get a correction for the up move, and the price, at least the price, come to take this high. Okay, all it depends on what we will get here. But if you looking for the, that's mean if you want, we expect the price come to this high, I think we cannot look into this as a breakout of this. If I show based on lower time frame, that's mean we need to get the correction here. That's mean one more drop before we get the up move. Anyway, before we make a decision whether the price from here can drop to this level or can continue, we need to see what we will get here. And mostly for buy up move, we need to get the correction, one more drop. Anyway, we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, as we can see, based on forward chart, the price is correcting and moving upside. Now the thing is, again, we don't have any trade setup, but if we can get the down move, we are more interested in terms of the risk and reward. But for buy, we don't have any trade setup, whether we want to trade within this range or not, because we are not sure when the price break this top whether it can continue or not. Because as I say, if the price whether from here or higher drop, we get a correction here based on daily chart, then from there if we look take the buy setup, I mean the buy if we get is very good, because the target, the first target will be here. Okay, that's why if the price from here continue, it depends whether we can get the trade set up or not. Anyway, we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Alright, even based on the 1 hour chart, as we can see, the price sharply is moving. I don't think we can get the trade set up within this range. Okay, if the price continue to start the move upside, we are not going to buy. Alright, first we see the option if we want to look for sell. Alright, if we want to look for sell, we need to wait the price break this trend line, we get the correction for the continuation. But as we can see, if the price start to continue similar to what we see it, I mean sharply move up, at that times I don't think we will get this one. Alright, at that times we need to see how high it can go, then from there we need to see how we can, that means we need to look into the chart. Because if I draw back this one, from what we have right now, if we can look for the breakout and correction, but because we don't want to sell within this range, but if the price move higher, then we don't need to wait for the breakout. Maybe within that range, how high it can go, we can look for sell. Alright, what we are taking right now within this range is if we consider the price can move a bit higher, not what we have here. That means in 1 or 2 hours we will know it. Alright, and this is if we want to look for sell. Alright, do we need to look for buy from what we have right now? We need to wait for the correction. That means if the price, for example, the price drop similar to what we have here, alright, at that time maybe we will have this correction, then any buy setup we will take it, and the target will be this high. But if we get any buy after the price drop similar to what we have here, it depends how deep it can go, but as long as the price came to this level, then we need to start to manage. And again, if the price continue to move higher, I don't think we can get the trade set up. The another one is option, if we want to buy, we need to get the correction here if the price didn't drop. Okay, but right now we don't have anything. If I move to 15 minutes, I don't think the possibility of getting the correction here is, I mean, we have the that possibility is there. Alright, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We need to wait to see what we will get here. And again, I want to see whether we can, because we, in terms of the risk and reward, if we can get sell, it will be very good. From what we have right now, we need to wait a breakout correction to look for sell, and the target will be this low. But if the price continue a bit higher, then we see whether we need to look for the breakout or we can sell within that range. How high it can go, we are not sure. And another thing is, how about if the price from here continue and move higher and higher and higher and come to this level? Then from that, I mean, at that time we need to look into the chart again, whether there is a continuation, or from there we can look for sell. Mostly if the price come to near to this high, we get the sell from that level, it can give us really good trade. But whether we can get or not, we are not sure. We need to wait. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and as we can see, just price moving in terms of the corrective. And in this case, we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade it. Thanks.